This is a special episode because our Linda has written a book.
I
And
did it.
you did it, and we're talking all about it today.
Yeah.
It's so good. So show us the book, Linda.
Okay.
Give us
So
that visual.
it's available on Amazon Kindle.
Yep.
And this is what the book cover looks like.
So you recognize it when you go to get it. It's called Turn Your Closet into Cash by Linda Walden. What's the subtitle? It's too small for me to read the
It is Make Extra Cash and Support a Sustainable Planet.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. So now you know what to look for.
Yes.
In fact, I want to remind everyone that you can, if you're listening to this out on a walk or while you're doing your dishes, you can go to YouTube, and on both of we'll put them in the show notes, YouTube channels. You can see our visuals and you'll get a visual of Linda's book.
Yeah.
So
but just
sure
go
you
to
check
Amazon Kindle and you can just type in Turn Your Closet into Cash and it brings it right up.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so yeah, go ahead.
No, I was just going to ask you, give us a quick summary. Tell us what the book does for us.
Yes. So in my book, you're going to learn how to clean out your closet like a professional stylist. You're going to dress more effortlessly with an organized wardrobe. And you're going to learn how to make extra cash selling your gems. It's very easy to do. I break it all down, make it really easy to follow.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
I highly recommend it. Well, just, you know what? Listen to the episode because you're going to get the full picture about the book after this. It will make very much sense. Plus it's a fun episode.
But it's really fun.
We can listen to the episode, but first I want you to go follow me on Instagram at Simple Beauty Minerals, because there I really sort of you really get to know me and my brand a lot better, and it's a lot more personal, and you're going to learn a lot. So at Simple Beauty Minerals over on Instagram, and then hop in the DMs and say hello and tell me that you found us through the podcast.
Yeah, you have a great Instagram account. Really
Thank you. I appreciate that. I like that. In fact, I just today posted a kind of sassy post. So
you're so good at
that. A little nervous about that, but I did it. So there we go. Shall we get into it?
All right, let's talk about my book.
Okay.